In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your PrizePicks account step by step. Launch the PrizePicks app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Access the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. Select Withdraw Funds from the list of the options. Specify the amount of money you want to withdraw. Be sure to double check the amount before proceeding. Select your preferred payout options such as bank account, PayPal account. Review your withdrawal details. Tap Confirm to initiate the withdrawal process. You will receive a one-time password sent to your email for verification. Enter the OTP to complete your request. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from PrizePicks quickly and securely. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.